Alright, it's Wesley with Expandacraft, and we're towing Margaret on what I'm going to call a stand-up sit-down paddleboard, and we're moving along at about 5 miles an hour easy, upwind and against the current. We are using the little prototype that we have here of a rudder, and this little electric motor is just doing its trick. There's more video of the motor and the electric battery, which is only 8 pounds, 8.8 pounds for the motor and the battery, and we can go for hours and hours and hours, 15 miles or more for one battery charge. Not bad. I use this one for this purpose, is so that we can rescue kayakers or pull them when they're tired, when we're off on our rental excursions. And it does the trick. Expandacraft.com